In this video we will show you how to deposit funds to FXChoice using your STICPAY account. Before starting you will need to have a registered account with STICPAY to use this payment method. To start, log into your MyFXChoice account. Select Deposit from the menu on the left, then select STICPAY from the available options. From the drop-down account list, select the account you want to deposit to. Kindly note that depending on your country of residence you might be required to verify your profile before or after placing the deposit. Enter the deposit amount and select the currency you'd like to deposit in, from the drop-down currency list, then click Confirm. At the confirmation screen, click on Pay. You will be redirected to the STICPAY login page. Enter your STICPAY account credentials and login. Confirm that you want to proceed with the deposit through the two-factor verification code of your selected authentication method. Click Submit for final confirmation of the deposit. A message will appear confirming that the payment was successful, and the amount will be instantly credited to your live trading account. And that's it. If you have any questions, contact our support by clicking the support link in the description. Thank you for choosing FXChoice.